Welcome back, tech viewers. Today we dive into the future, a future where modern technologies offer us a fighting chance against hurricanes. These whirlwinds of destruction have long held the power to transform landscapes and lives alike. The devastation they leave in their wake is a stark reminder of the forces we're up against. A few weeks ago, we witnessed in Florida the power of Hurricane Idalia, which caused extensive damage, and which will still be the talk of the newspapers in the coming days. The Hurricane Lee also touched down near the Canada-US border, with winds approaching those of a Category 1 hurricane, and left more than 90,000 homes without electricity in the state of Maine. But what if we could turn the tide? What if we could harness innovation to mitigate the effects of these tempests? That's the question we're exploring today. This video aims to take you on a journey through the eye of a storm, and into the heart of cutting-edge technologies and techniques designed to counter hurricanes. We will delve into early warning systems, hurricane-resistant buildings, artificial intelligence, and even cloud seeding. So, buckle up as we journey through the eye of the storm and into the heart of innovation. First, we need to understand the beast we're up against, the hurricane. Hurricanes, nature's most destructive force, are essentially heat engines powered by the warm, moist air of the tropical oceans. They form when a cluster of thunderstorms over warm ocean waters begins to circulate around a central point, creating a low-pressure area. The heat energy from the ocean's surface fuels these storms, causing them to grow in size and intensity. But hurricanes are more than just meteorological phenomena. They carry an emotional weight that's hard to quantify. They can uproot lives, devastate communities, and leave in their wake a psychological toll that can last for years. The fear and uncertainty that a hurricane brings can be as damaging as the storm itself. Understanding hurricanes, their formation, and their potential impact is the first step in our battle against them. Armed with this understanding, we can now explore how technology is helping us fight back. Knowledge is power, and in our battle against hurricanes, early warning systems are our first line of defense. These systems leverage satellite imagery and meteorological data to predict the onset of hurricanes. Their evolution over the years has been nothing short of remarkable, with advancements in technology now allowing for more accurate and timely alerts. This vital information equips communities with the time needed to prepare and evacuate if necessary, significantly reducing the risk of casualties. But what about infrastructure? That's where hurricane-resistant buildings come into play. These structures are designed to withstand the incredible force of hurricanes, incorporating elements such as reinforced concrete, wind-resistant windows, and elevated foundations to mitigate flood damage. Architects and engineers are continually pushing the boundaries of design to create buildings that can endure the wrath of nature, safeguarding both human life and property. These are just the first steps. Let's delve deeper into more advanced technologies. Artificial intelligence and predictive modeling offer new paths in hurricane preparedness in today's world of big data. These technologies are critical tools for individuals on the front lines of cyclone prediction and response, not simply for tech enthusiasts. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of making machines perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Learning, thinking, problem-solving, perception, and language comprehension are examples of such tasks. In the field of storm prediction, AI can filter through massive amounts of data to uncover patterns and trends that human analysts would overlook. AI is a great tool for anticipating cyclone behavior because of its capacity to quickly process and interpret data. Predictive modeling, on the other hand, is a method that forecasts outcomes using data mining and probability. It's all about the numbers. Each predictive model is comprised of a number of predictors or factors that are expected to impact future behavior. These predictors might include ocean temperatures, wind patterns, and atmospheric pressure in the context of hurricane prediction. Predictive models can provide us a view into the future by examining these elements, allowing us to predict when and where storms will develop. Imagine if we could not only forecast but also lower the ferocity of storms before they make landfall. This is where cloud seeding may help. It is a sort of weather manipulation in which the amount or type of precipitation that falls from clouds is altered. Cloud seeding in the context of hurricanes is putting chemicals into the air that act as cloud condensation or ice nuclei, affecting the microphysical processes within the cloud and potentially decreasing the storm. These technologies are at the cutting edge of hurricane management, but there is still much more to come. The future of storm preparedness is as intriguing as it is hopeful, from capturing wind energy to creating underwater barriers. So stay tuned as we explore deeper into the realm of innovative technologies that are influencing the future of storm management. The power of hurricanes can be destructive, but what if we could harness it? Imagine transforming the tremendous wind energy of hurricanes into usable power. Scientists are exploring this possibility, envisioning wind turbines designed to withstand hurricane-force winds, capturing and converting that energy. Meanwhile, we're also investigating the potential of underwater barriers. These structures, strategically positioned in the ocean, could disrupt the warm water currents that hurricanes feed on, potentially weakening these storms before they reach land. And then, there's remote sensing. This technology, which uses satellites and drones, allows us to monitor the formation and path of hurricanes from a safe distance. With improved remote sensing capabilities, we can predict hurricanes' paths more accurately, enabling better preparation and potentially saving lives. These are just a few of the innovative strategies being considered to combat the devastating impact of hurricanes. As we continue to innovate, we find new ways to turn the tide in our favor. Technology is only part of the equation. We also need climate-resilient infrastructure and prepared communities. Our cities and towns must be designed to withstand the power of hurricanes, from our buildings and roads to our power grids and water systems. This isn't just about brute strength, but smart design, using materials and techniques that can bend without breaking under the onslaught of a storm. But infrastructure alone isn't enough. Communities must be prepared, ready to act when the early warning systems sound the alert. This means having evacuation plans in place, knowing where to go and what to do when a hurricane approaches. It's about education, communication, and cooperation, ensuring that everyone knows their role in the face of a storm. Preparedness isn't a state of being, it's a state of mind. It's about being ready to adapt, to change, to face adversity head-on. Together, we can face the storm and come out stronger. Our journey through the storm has been enlightening. We've navigated the swirling winds of understanding hurricanes, delved into the calm eye of early warning systems and hurricane-resistant buildings, and soared with the gusts of artificial intelligence and predictive modeling. We've cloud-seeded our way through harnessing wind energy, underwater barriers, remote sensing, and monitoring. We've seen how climate-resilient infrastructure and community preparedness can provide a sturdy shelter in the face of hurricanes. These modern technologies are not just blueprints for the future, they are our beacon of hope. As we continue to innovate and adapt in the face of nature's fury, they remind us of our resilience and our collective power to overcome. They underscore the importance of preparedness, not just as individuals, but as a community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put a like, and feel free to share your experience on this great issue. Together we can weather any storm.